We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time for a Hakka lesson of the day on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭
And I hey Joseph Ling and Alice 啊，这个你应该也常常会被问到这个问题，因为我们都是算是靠声音吃饭的 right?
Okay.
We have to take care of our voice because that's our tool to make money and to spread joy to the whole world here. So 今天呢，我想说来跟大家顺便呢可以提到一些怎么保护喉咙的一些妙方秘方，因为常常会被问到这个问题。
係啊，
你会吗？会吗？
會哦，
不会哦。你有没有曾经这个失声过？
有啊，
失掉聲音的時候就很痛苦了，對不對？
錯啊，做唔到功法啊。
Anyways, here are a few things. One thing I know is you're not supposed to drink too much.
盡量莫飲酒，
盡量不要喝酒，是不是？
莫博煙。
博煙抽煙是不是？Okay, so those are two terms. I think we might have taught this before, but just to repeat it again, drink 喝酒是
飲酒
跟台語很像，飲酒嘛抽煙呢？
博煙。
博煙 is smoking. Right? Cut down on smoking, cut down on drinking. That's rule number one to maintain your voice. 還有什麼？
盡量莫食辣椒。
是辣椒。那如果說不要吃辣，
盡量莫食辣嘅東西。
辣嘅東西。辣椒 is chili pepper or just anything spicy. You just say 辣嘅東西. That means things are spicy. It's going to really deteriorate your voice. And one more thing, because now it's wintertime, I think people need to protect their neck a little bit more. 應該要保護一下喉嚨頸部這個地方。
喉嚨係啊，降緊係。
什麼喉嚨？
喉嚨就是你的喉嚨啊，喉嚨哦。
喉嚨啊。
喉嚨呢
Okay, it's very cold, so you should protect your throat. So we should put on a scarf. 戴圍巾。
圍降產。
圍降產。這是圍巾嗎？
圍巾。
圍巾。Okay, put on a scarf is
圍降產。
圍降產。怎麼那麼奇怪的字？降產。
降產，它應該就是說把頸子有沒有給它
纏起來
吧
Okay, so in Hakka, literally, a scarf means a wrap around your neck. Okay, so 降產. Okay, so there you go. Those are little tips for you to protect your throat and to protect your voice as well. And that does it for our Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼太嘎？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.